So let's talk about some of the other functionality that we have over here. We've got the show the column line, and we've got the fill column. We can just select fill column right now, and we'll make sure we have only one window open, and we'll go up to the top of this window. Now let's say that you wanted to know, how is this going to map to, let's say, like a postcard or something, a different sized paper, because we do use Emacs to create files. We can create Word files, we can create ODT files, we can create Google documents, we can create PDFs, we can create invoices, letters, notes, note cards, labels. Anything you want to create, you can create from within Emacs, and we can take all this text and we can post this into Facebook. You can write something and then you can post it onto your website. And so there's just a lot of stuff that you can do with it. You might want to know where you are, where those margins are. And so now we're going to look at the fill column, and we can toggle also this show column line. So we've got these two different sizes. I think this one is a window size. You can see over here, I just have to click outside of Emacs and we can get back to double control. And you can see that this size here, I think, is 70 characters. And this one, I think, is probably like 40 characters, something like that. Maybe it's 45. And we've got these toggles that can show us a little bit of something about where we are in the document. And now we're going to go ahead and untoggle those two things. We'll just click back on Emacs and out of Zoom. So we'll go ahead and we will untoggle these, okay? Now we've got this highlight the current line. And, that shows us the current line. It's pretty subtle. Maybe it'll be a little bit less subtle when we turn off the transparency. But you could highlight the line. It's going to look different in different modes. We're going to go ahead and unhighlight the current line. And toggle visual keys, that's this next one. Don't worry about that because we're not using that anymore. But we do have this indent wrapped lines. Let's say you're working in an HTML file and you want a guideline that shows you, where the tag starts and where the tag stops. That's what show indent guides does. Show faces variable. That's the next one. That's like if you're building a theme in Emacs and you want to know what these are all named, the different colors in the screen. It's going to show you the faces, how you can control that.